January 15, 1919. It was just after noon in Boston's North End. Then the ground began to shake. A 2.3 million gallon storage tank filled with molasses suddenly exploded. A wave 25 feet high rushed through the streets at 35 kilometers per hour. The wave crushed buildings, twisted train tracks, and trapped horses and carts. People couldn't outrun it. The area was filled with molasses. 21 people were killed. More than 100 were injured. Rescuers waded through molasses for days. The tank was poorly built and never properly inspected. The company knew it leaked, but ignored the warnings.